Hi, in this video we are going to see what is the speak cell. So this is the speak cell is one of the hidden feature on the Microsoft Excel. Most of us we are not aware of that because it is not available in the front end and it is hidden on the back, and we have to bring it to front. So to get the speak cell option available here, either we can get it here on the quick access bar, okay, and or we can have a inter tabs, okay. So how to edit tabs and how to edit, like how to edit this our quick access bars, we have a separate video for that, but as of now I will show you quickly how to we can get the speak cell. So to modify it, I am clicking on more commands, click on more commands, and here we will be having uh, popular commands, but I will not go with that. I will go with the all commands. Click on that, and now it will take some time. Yeah, it got loaded. It will be ascending honor only, so I have to scroll down little bit where till I get the yes. Okay, P. Okay, scrolling down little bit, scrolling down little bit. Yeah, here we have yes. Or this we can type even, but I'm just wanted to. So we have speak cell. Here is option, so I will just add it speak cell, and then another one is stop speak cell. Just see where is that. So we have here speak cell is the stop speaking. Okay, stop speaking. So these two commands I have added. I will hit OK, and if you observe that two icons got added here. So to just we have to click speak cell.
Speak cells. Stop speak cells.
Okay, both got repeated. If I have some data here, just click on that, and next
User.
whatever the data is available
Day
on the
1.
sheet, it will be
Hours. Day
pronounced.
2. Hours. Day 3. Hours. Day 4. Hours. Day 5. Hours. Day 6.
I will
Hours.
stop it now. So it is very useful when we have some data written and I wanted to do the some manual validation. It will be very useful. And another option is that we can bring it to our tab, custom tab. So get that, we have to click on file, go to the option, then we have to customize ribbon, click on that, and from pop get the all commands, and now click on new tab. I have got here, rename it as a speak. It's anything you can put, okay, it's not necessary. I'll put Dutch. Okay, click on this. Now I have keep a selected here. I'll put ESP, press yes, scroll down, little bit more we need to download. Okay, here we are. Just add it. Okay, select on a group and click on this. Got added. Then we have stop cell, stop, and click on add. So these two got added here. Once I hit OK, we can see the speak cell Dutch, and we have this option. So we can click
Day
and
6.
we got the same.
Hours. Day 7. Hours. Total. Person 1. 10. 7, 7, 5, 10.
I will stop it and hope you have understand how to remove this. If you want to remove, there's no longer needed. We can go to option, again go to customize ribbon, and there we have this cell, and click on the right click on this and click on the remove. It will get removed. Click OK, and you now it's gone. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find it interesting it, and in next video we are going to see the very important function of test to column. Thanks for watching.